Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LiveChat for Sales Team CRM Notes easy tutorial step by step clearly. Locate the dashboard once you are logged in. On the left sidebar, click on the Integrations option. You will see a list of available integrations. Scroll through the list to find your CRM. If you don't see it, use the search bar at the top. Click on the CRM integration to open the settings. Here, you will find various options related to this integration. Look for the option to enable subscriptions. Toggle the subscription option to on. Next, configure your notification preferences for CRM Notes. Select how often you want to receive updates. You can choose between daily, weekly, or real-time notifications. Once you set your preferences, click the Save button. Your subscription for Sales Team CRM Notes is now active. To verify your subscription, check your email for a confirmation message. Open your email and locate the confirmation from LiveChat. Click on the link in the email to confirm your subscription. Now, you're ready to start receiving CRM notes from your sales team. Make sure to monitor your notifications regularly for updates. With this setup, your team can stay informed and organized. That's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.